Hi there, students! For today's lesson, you will be learning about the endocrine glands. The endocrine system is a network of glands and organs located throughout the body. Your endocrine system is in charge of creating and releasing hormones to maintain countless bodily functions. But what is the endocrine system? The endocrine system consists of the tissues, mainly glands, that create and release hormones. Hormones are chemicals that coordinate different functions in your body by carrying messages through your blood to your organs, skin, muscles, and other tissues. These signals tell your body what to do and when to do it. Hormones are essential for life and your health. What is the function of the endocrine system? The main function of the endocrine system is to release hormones in the blood while continuously monitoring their levels. Hormones deliver their messages by locking into the cells they target so they can relay the message. You have more than 50 different hormones and they affect nearly all aspects of your health directly or indirectly. Some examples include metabolism, homeostasis and electrolyte balance and body temperature, growth and development, sexual function, reproduction, sleep-wake cycle, and mood. The glands of the endocrine system are where hormones are produced, stored, and released. Each gland produces one or more hormones which depend on the target specific organs and tissues in the body. The glands of the endocrine system include the hypothalamus, pituitary, pineal, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, adrenal, pancreas, ovaries, and testes. The hypothalamus produces multiple hormones that control the pituitary gland. It's also involved in regulating many functions, including sleep-wake cycles, body temperature, and appetite. It can also regulate the function of other endocrine glands. The next gland of the endocrine is the pituitary. The pituitary gland is located below the hypothalamus. The hormones it produces affect growth and reproduction. Some hormones of the pituitary include growth hormones that stimulate growth and metabolism, prolactin that stimulate milk production and breast development, thyroid-stimulating hormones that stimulates the thyroid gland to produce thyroid hormones, follicle-stimulating hormones that stimulates the development of eggs in the ovaries and sperm in the testes, luteinizing hormones that stimulates ovulation and the production of sex hormones. But what is the main function of the pituitary gland? The main function of the pituitary gland is to produce and release several hormones that help carry out important bodily functions including growth, metabolism, reproduction, response to stress or trauma, lactation, water and sodium balance, labor, and childbirth. The next gland of the endocrine is the pineal. This gland is found in the middle of your brain. It's important for your sleep-wake cycles. Next to the pineal is the thyroid gland. It is located in the front of your neck. It's very important for metabolism. It also releases the hormone thyroxine. Just like the thyroid, parathyroid is also located in front of your neck. It is important for maintaining control of calcium levels in your bones and blood. It releases the hormone parathyroid. The next gland is the thymus. It is located in the upper torso. The thymus is active until puberty and produces hormones that are important for the development of a type of white blood cell called a T cell. It releases the hormone thymosin. Another gland of the endocrine is the adrenal. One adrenal gland can be found on the top of each kidney. These glands produce hormones that are important for regulating functions such as blood pressure, heart rate, and stress response. They produce many important hormones including cortisol, aldosterone, and adrenaline. The next gland is the pancreas. The pancreas is located in your abdomen behind your stomach. Its endocrine function involves controlling blood sugar levels. It releases the hormones insulin, which lowers blood glucose when levels get too high. Glucagon, that raises blood glucose when levels get too low. Somatostatin, that inhibits the release of insulin in glucagon. Next is the ovaries. The ovaries are part of the female reproductive system and the endocrine system. The ovaries are small oval-shaped glands located on either side of your uterus. They produce and store your eggs, also called the ovum, and make hormones that control your menstrual cycle and pregnancy. It releases the hormones estrogen and progesterone. And lastly, the testes. The testes, also known as testicles or male gonads, lie behind the penis in a pouch of skin called the scrotum. It produces the hormones testosterone. Testosterone is a hormone that is responsible for secondary male characteristics such as facial hair, body hair, and increased muscle mass. It also contributes to the libido or sex drive, sexual function, and male fertility. To sum up, the endocrine system is a network of glands and organs that produce and release hormones, which are chemical messengers that regulate many functions in the body. The major endocrine glands are the hypothalamus, pituitary, pineal, thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal, pancreas, ovaries, and testes. The endocrine system uses hormones to control and coordinate your body's internal metabolism, energy level, reproduction, growth and development, and respond to injury, stress, and environmental factors.